Welcome to this video where we see a useful website to create automatic drawings ideas. Hang on with the video till end where this website name will be told. So first let's discuss about what does this website have to offer. Today, we shall talk about a website which creates drawings automatically from freehand sketches. This website helps in generating beautiful automatic drawings ideas from the freehand sketches. It uses machine learning technology for creating auto-generated shapes and drawings easy in few seconds. Various types of sketches can be drawn freehand and its machine learning algorithm generates suggested drawings. In this way, this website reduces time and manual effort in getting drawing ideas. There are several tools in the website like drawing, auto drawing, inserting text and much more. In this website, colors and various shapes can be also used to create amazing great drawings. To start creating drawings, firstly start drawing freehand and autodraw suggestions tools will help in generating drawing ideas. Start drawing with the draw tool and then start choosing colors with the color picker. You can then add text to your drawing with the help of the text button. Fill your drawings with different shapes and give it a bright look. You can then move, resize, rotate objects with the select tool. Once the picture is ready, you can download in PNG and JPG format. This website uses machine learning technology to auto-generate drawing ideas. This drawing ideas then can be clicked and dragged into the workspace. It also gives options to share and download the pictures. It has also shortcuts available in the menu where different actions can be performed quickly. You just have to draw a random freehand sketch and sit back to see the auto-generated suggested drawing at the top. Then, you can use that drawings ideas into your project. You can simply learn about how to draw freehand sketches and turn them into beautiful, desired shapes. Learning about how to draw freehand random sketches is literally very easy. Then with the help of this website, you can convert into beautiful drawing. There are also tutorials available on the website about drawings and workspace usage. So, finally the time has come to tell about this website which helps in auto drawing with the help of machine learning technology, www.autodraw.com. Check the website if you are interested in learning about how to draw and generating drawing ideas automatically. We have come to the end of the video. Subscribe to know more such useful websites on the internet. Thank you.